One eternity later.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am reviewing these things behind my back. Alright, so let's get on with the review. Alright, so I know lately I haven't been posting because I'm just kind of lazy watching YouTube, so yeah. We've got from Transformers Siege, Wolf Supper Siege. This is the Battle Master, Teleburst. And then the second one is Autobot Powertrain and High Jump from Transformers, also from Transformers Siege. This one's a Micro Master. Another one from Siege is Storm Cloud and Whisper, Decepticons. This one contains from one of my favorites. The first of the Micro Master turned to 4, but actually Powertrain and High Jump, press into this at only looking gun. And Teleburst, obviously a blaster, also a blaster. And then the last thing we're reviewing today will also be Guide Strap in F4 and Ruder R4. This took me a very long time to get. So yep, it's begin. So let's see, I'm gonna open a tool, then we'll open a first product. Alright guys, so I am back and I have here in my hand Powertrain and High Jump from Siege. Time to open. So keep in mind I am a collector, so I will save the packaging. I don't like destroying packages. Give me 1 second. This will be opened in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I am back with Powertrain and High Jump. Let's go. At the matter there present. 2 snips. Ooh, only broke powered train and High Jump. Alrighty. This is an orange red color. Looks like it reminds me of candy. This is, I believe this is Powertrain. This is High Jump. So you can see his head. His head sculpt. Marcus. Okay. Alright, so you guys will do a shot. This is reasonably easy. Because I'm a Transformer, so you don't have to be an expert to transform Micro Masters. They're the easiest transformers, except for one step transformer. Alright, that's basically it. You just like flip it. That's High Jump. And Powertrain. It's easier for this head sculpt. Looks like Ironhide. So, focus. Oh, that doesn't matter. At least you didn't see his face. Alright, now I am back. So, right, this is High Train, and so all you have to do transforming is just like push his arms in, like that, and fold his feeties. Fold his feeties first, and then then push it up. So I'm not sure I don't know. Like that, yeah. That's actually like flip the legs around and do it. And then you put like that, and yeah. Welcome back, and I should have done this earlier. Here's some other Micro Masters. Trip Up, Powertrain, Transform. And also, shut up about this is not a joke. Daddy-O, yeah, that was Daddy-O. Don't make fun of the name. It's a weird name, yeah. Alright, next one will be the Siege formers. Alright, I'm going to do Siege next. Okay, we're gonna see. This one will be Storm Cloud and Whisper. Whisper. Okay, okay. Okay. Ah. Sorry, I scream a lot. Albert has affected my life. Albert! Version 2. Albert! Need to cut my fingers off! Albert, you affected my life. Don't turn Whisper. Coming out to play. 2 feet away because I'm not gay. Ah, my God. Don't turn Whisper. 2 feet away because I'm not gay. So his his leg fell off. This is Whisper. Is it the wrong direction? No, it's the right direction. Which one? Alright, this is Whisper and this is Storm Cloud. Next comparison with Growl. Oh, I think yeah, Decepticon Growl and I forgot the tank name, but yeah. So to transform them, we just have to transform on Storm Cloud. You fold out his wings, and then you just fold out the cockpit. Wow, it fell off. My leg fell off. I'm just resuscitating my life decisions. Yep, do this and then that and then that and then that. Carlito! Oh no! Give me 1 second. Okay, I reformed my last decisions and we are not going to transform them. So here's another look at Whisper and Storm Cloud. Let's do next product. This product is Caliburst from Siege. Forget about the past, your life is up. Forget about the past, your life is on the side. Forget about the past, your life is on the side. Forget about the past, your life is made more straight. Forget about the past, your life is on the side. Get up. My face will one day be in cut screens video. Oh yeah, get him out, get him out, get a boy out, get a boy out. Get a boy out. Put on Mickey Mouse's ears. There's a bunch of Mickey Mouses. You guys want to see? You guys want to see? So these are Micro Masters, Headmasters, and Micro Masters, Headmasters, and Battle Masters. All in Prime's trailer. Alright, so here's Caliburst. Here's Caliburst. Who is that one house? That already transformed. Hey, they're practically the same thing. This one looks a bit different because I didn't put the gun on his back yet. Alright. So here's what he looks like with his gun on the back. They're practically the same thing. So how you transform them is just like fold his gun up, because I have one of these already. You peg his guns together, his feet together, I don't know why I said guns together. You fold it, you peg it into this little port. You fold his arms, connect it to his feet. And then your life is a mistake. Here it is. And I don't have. Alright, I'm back. My feed just shut off. So, yeah. There is a Caliburst, and I forgot this guy's name. So let's go. Next to the Beyblade is Beyblade Burst Turbo, Fafnir F4, or actually, guys, Fafnir F4, and Ruder R4, Slingshot. You can just take a screenshot of this and pause it to read all these stats if you wanted to. Versus there are Slingshot made in this world. Give me 1 second. We are back. I don't really keep Beyblade packages, so this one is kind of cool, but then just, I mean, what? Alright. Back now. That wasn't bad, that was a mistake. Okay. This is a friendly family YouTube video. This is Ruder. And that's a Ruder. Fafnir F4. Shut up! Fafnir. Shut up!
Why am I laughing at you?
Baby. So this is guys Fafnir, and this is Ruder R4. I already have Ruder R5, so you don't need to look at this one. So this is the Jaggy disc. Alright, I was wrong. Forgot this is 12 and Excel. This is Absorb S, and this is a. Shut up! I'm trying to make a video here. Not downstairs. Yeah, I know. Alright, so it is a mess. Alright, so the whole gimmick is that this spring-loaded dragon heads here, like to help spin steel. I will make a video doing about if you want it. The Spring Lord Dragon. Guys, ask me. You want proof? This is a proof. I have it. Alright. This is really hard for me to find. And when I finally got it, yes. I also have Revive Phoenix. So yeah. Please like if you guys like. Please like if you guys like this. Please like if you guys enjoyed this video. My life is a mess. This video was a mess.
Bitch, you just got shoes. What do you mean it's a mess?
Nah. Alright guys, so getting back to the video. ASMR! Like and subscribe.